Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 22nd to 26 September 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see on Friday 0.37% was the negative move, 1.17412 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So in this weekly chart we can see a bullish candle but a big upper wick. We can see a good big upper wick and a small body with a small lower wick. Currently this week was a big news or event based momentum, so we can see big wicks in all the forex market and overall forex market and even crypto market. So that's why we can see a big wicks on the weekly chart. Currently if I talk about stochastic RSI, then stochastic RSI is around 23-24, that is around oversold area, which is indicating as a positive move in Euro USD for coming week. But we should not only look for RSI, we should also look for other factors that help or which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. So now we can see the levels are already marked. We don't need to mark any levels. Let's talk about the closing first, and then we'll talk about my opinion on what could happen in coming week. So currently the closing is 1.17412. After here the direct support is 1.17168 and direct resistance is 1.17454. After direct support there is a support of 1.16921 and then 1.16500. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 1.17882 and then 1.18202. So these are two important support and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, I have shared a discount coupon code that will help you to get 20% discount on any challenges. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So currently, according to previous week closing and a momentum, I'm expecting a positive move that is around 1.17454 to 1.17882. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. If you're looking for any negative or a short trade, then only look for a short trade once 1.17168 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this level. Then we can see a move till 1.16921. Don't even trade before the confirmation so that you don't lose any money. I am expecting a positive move in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.